Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Sony Xperia 5.3 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them, click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this app from this developer and open it. I already did that on Sony, so I can open it right away. Choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. And now finally select Send on Sony and Receive on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a while though, so I will only go with this one photo, just send and tap on Got it. From here we have two ways to connect our smartphones. We can input this key here and then tap on Receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. And now, after waiting a bit, I can see that my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!